In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Schoology app to submit assignments. So the first thing you're going to be able to do is you need to download the Schoology app on any Android or Apple iOS device. And once you go to your device's app store, you can download the app and it's going to bring you to this screen to have you log in. So you have to take a couple steps the first time you log in, but once you do, you will stay logged in. So you'll see from this first screen, we have the option to log in through our school or log in through Schoology.com. We are going to log in through our school, but we need to find it. So you're going to physically type East Penn, and then once you do, it should begin to pop up, and you can see it has the eastpennsd.schoology.com that we're so used to logging in with. We are going to click on that one, and then it gives us another option. We want to log in through our school on the first one. So once I do that, it's going to open up and prompt us to choose the Google account that we want to select. I am going to select a student account. And then what it's going to do is it might prompt you the first time to type in your password. I've already done that ahead of time. But it's going to ask if I want to authorize this app. You want to make sure that you approve it. Once I do that, you're going to see exactly what you would typically see on your Chromebook. But typically, it just looks a little bit different inside the app. So what I'm going to do is show you now, if I go to a course as a student, how I can submit an assignment. So if you did something on paper and you want to simply take a picture of it with your phone and upload it, it's really easy to do that, as well as you can create a video or a screencast of yourself like I'm doing right now and submit that to your teacher. So what you're going to do is in the upper left-hand corner, you see those three lines. I'm going to click that and I'm going to select my courses. And I have one called a test course. So what I'm going to do, and there's a lot of stuff on here, but let's just pretend that this test assignment is something I want to submit that I've done on paper, or it is something that I've taken on my device and I want to simply upload it or get it to my teacher. So I'm going to click on the test assignment, and you are going to see a spot over to the right. You have an info tab and a submissions tab. I'm going to click on submissions, and in the very upper right hand corner you can see there is a plus sign. When I choose that, I have the option to submit photo video. Once I do that, it's going to say schools you would like to access your photos. I'm going to select OK, and then I can take, and let's say I want to upload this video. I can select it, hit the checkbox, and you will see it is going to upload that media and it will submit it to the teacher. That's going to take a little while just because it is a long video, so I will just choose a different one. And you can see that it's going to go right away. Once that's done, it will go through and you will see a submission. So over here on the left-hand side, while that's going, you're going to see revision 2. Revision 1, just because I've done this a few times just as some samples. And then once it's uploaded, it will show that your assignment has been submitted, and you can see it says your submissions, and while it's still going, it is going to show you the timestamp as well. I'm going to cancel that. The other option you can do when I go back to the plus sign is I can submit from my resources, I can submit from other iOS apps, I can record audio, or I can create a submission, meaning I can simply type in here. I can paste a link, so if you've created something elsewhere, a YouTube video, Wii video, anything like that, I can copy and paste that link in here. And if I just do that and hit the check, you will see that it would go through as a submission. So when your teacher would be able to open that, they would be able to click on that link. So that's just a variety of ways using the app that makes things a lot easier, especially if you're doing something outside of Schoology on paper or in a different website, to simply add it through here. And that is how you submit an assignment using the Android or iOS Schoology app.